Hello and welcome to the Hardcore Gamers Club. My name is Daniel and this video is a giveaway. This giveaway is specifically and only for any individual that has donated $1 or more to me to help get kids free game system repairs, and hopefully even offer you guys giveaways of free game system repairs. Today's giveaway is this. Okay, got a little bump on the corner, but this is brand new. The box has never been opened. It is an LED projector. Now I have one similar to this, or actually I think mine is white. I have one exactly like this. I apologize for the autofocus. I have one exactly like this. I put the Amazon Fire Stick into it and via Wi-Fi set it out in the backyard, point it up against the shed with a white sheet, and have family video nights. Really nice. Unfortunately, if you're wanting to get a really big screen, the video quality cuts down and it's not real good if it's daylight. You're not going to be able to see it very well. So it works best after it's nice and dark, because these aren't the most highest quality ones, obviously, but it's very nice. If you have donated, paste one or more of your free entry codes, because anybody who has donated any dollar amount, $1 or more, gets an entry code for every 25 cents that I receive in the donation. If you don't know how to donate, you can go to the description of the video, which will have a link to the hgcgamersclub.com website, where you can go read through, make a donation, and you can use one or more of your entry codes, or all of them if you like, on this specific giveaway. I allow you guys to use your entry codes on any giveaway that I hold for the entire year. You can use one or more or all on a specific giveaway if you like that. I have several more giveaways that I am going to be listing before December 2018 that you guys will be able to use your codes on. I have a PS4 that I plan on giving away. I have an Xbox One that I may be able to give away, not entirely certain yet. I have a couple of other Akis, if you're not familiar with them, that I'm going to be giving away. So, and if I wind up with any other game systems that I can put together using donated parts, or even some of the funds that you guys donate to buy parts to get these game systems up and running, I don't sell anything, so I will give them away just like I'm giving this away on this YouTube channel in my active giveaways playlist, which there will also be a link to the playlist down below if you would like to get to that. Okay, so this is an LED projector, strictly and only for anyone that has donated $1 or more to the HGC to get kids free game system repairs. Alright, if you're local, please don't call me asking for a free repair. I do that on as needed basis if I have the funds, and quite frankly, so far there hasn't been enough donations to even pay for this. Okay, so it's just an ideal. Hopefully we can get that up and running, and who knows, maybe if I get enough support from you guys, I might be able to eventually provide all of my repairs for free, which I would actually like to do. Okay. that's that. Stay safe, happy gaming, everybody. Until my next video, see ya.